Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing, bell notification, like the channel, subscribe and share for that truth, information, and integrity that you would expect from the #1 cryptocurrency and blockchain technology and XRP breaking news, technical analysis, and institutional adoption information that you need in order to make an educated and informed decision. I'm not a financial advisor. Bell notification, subscribe to the channel, and like it. Comment down below to help us get this education and information out to as many people as possible, because they would have been warned and they would have known about the market and the institutional manipulated crash that has just taken place in the cryptocurrency sphere. And I think it might continue. As you can see, the XLM is down today better than 4%. It's almost given back its 100% gain. The XRP is down better than 4%. ALGO 6%. XDC has been on a major crash to the downside, off of 45% from its recent high, 10.5% today. SHIBA coin's down 7.96%. And another interesting thing is the total crypto market cap is down 1.5%, down to $550-something billion or whatever it is. But that's something that you're going to need to watch out and pay attention for, as I think there could be a capitulation sometime in the next 6 months leading up to early 2024, the springtime, right around when the next halving in the Bitcoin is going to happen. But you can see XLM now has come down and broken a major support level that we've been talking about for a few days now, a few weeks, ever since that big pump there. You breached that 13 cents on the last video that we made. You're approaching a local double bottom now, as you can see right in here, as it confirmed a breakdown below that 13.5 cents. And all signs are indicating that the next major move is you're going to have to come down and touch a 10.5 to 10.6 cent major support level underneath. And if you break that, you're going to give away the rest of that gain that you had after that great pump that started at about 10 cents, right? Or about 9 cents, 9.5 cents. So that's what we're watching out for. The XRP is struggling at dear life at the 57-cent level, or the bottom part of that blue trading zone. And we do know if you break that blue trading zone, 47 cents, or the beginning of the initial pump from the July 11th news with the Judge Toro, and if you breach that, the next major level I would look at would be that critical, everlasting cent, 37 cents, the level that doesn't seem to we ever seem to be able to get rid of. But that's what I'd be looking at there. ALGO, if you breach this critical level, unfortunately, we could come down to about 8 cents on the next major move to the downside. Bitcoin, we haven't really flushed, but if we flush like the rest of these coins, I would expect an initial move down to $19,100, right? Maybe a local double bottom down here at 24,000. But if we get a big move to the downside, 19,100 at the top part of that blue trading zone would be where I'd be looking at. This was just a brief update. Like, subscribe, and share my loyal, lovely, beautiful, growing audience. Peace and love.